brave, fierce, traits of two opposing teams, aims to conquer one another in a wild and bloody game, but only one of them will remain unconquered. Eventually, they became friends, with the intention to catenate and link social divisions together, with no selective state in life. Truly, the sport's objective is to make us amalgamate and connect every endpoints. The power of sports in building social bridges and breaking down cultural barriers.
Because of sports, we build a great opportunity to bond and spend time together, bring us closer to each other, and we are able to strengthen this friendship by supporting each other even we are in a diverse horizon.